Hi there, my name is Mark Barnabas, your data protection pal, and once again, I'm here to update you on privacy articles as well as cybersecurity all over the world. So on to our first article, which is something of a very good reminder if you're working from home. If you are working from home or if you have staff working from home, please remind them to not be fooled by deepfix, because deepfakes are real and they are going to be here to stay. So do click on my video up here to find out more about deepfakes, but really it's a new risk that we have to consider if we are a risk manager or a data protection practitioner. So the other news here is for you to also consider that if you're not already applying data protection by design or privacy by design, it could be a very important strategic advantage for your organization, especially if you are even a startup and planning to do an app, because you want to infuse elements of privacy from day zero, not even day one, day zero. Remember, data protection by design or privacy by design. Again, you can click above here to go to the video that tells you about what privacy design really is. It's actually developed by a Canadian professor, and it's not something that is new, surprisingly. And if you think it's new, it has really been around for some time. So on to something more serious. This is where I would like to, first time I'm reviewing an article from China, and this article is really about smart cars, electric cars, and today I think China is quite ahead of the world in electric cars, because when I was in China, many cars are electric and they're all over the place, and many car parks are already installed with chargers. And I speak with a lot of gusto because I am personally really interested in this industry. And I myself am involved in a company that does installation of electric charging stations as well. So what's this article all about? China is saying that they have the capability to become the world leader in electric vehicle production, and not only the electric vehicle but autonomous vehicle as well. And they could possibly be the one setting standards with regards to using electric vehicles and management of the information collected and used by these same vehicles. So maybe we see something from China really soon, because I believe they are getting their act together in their privacy legislations, which brings me to my next article. And China, yes, China has a privacy issue because there's not much privacy to begin with, but really the law is coming on strong, and we have heard the PIPL, the Personal Information Protection Law, mentioned in Parliament already, and we look forward to seeing more information about PIPL, and I myself am really looking forward and staying close tabs to this new law. And if you are going to do business with China, you ought to keep yourselves updated as well. So we look forward to see more information, and we know banks and even companies that do digital currencies are already looking close at what the legislation is going to have for them. And today, a lot of people are beginning to recognize this already, and CNBC is covering this as well. And CNBC has taken notice of PIPL as well. And we know that China is a country that's huge. They may not even meet the rest of the world, but they are coming on strong with software like TikTok and many others going out to the West. And I'm sure that China is also keen on world domination, and therefore they also look at privacy policies and compliance again with the GDPR. So again, keep your eyes peeled, and I think China really means business when it comes to privacy as well. If not, they would not have mentioned about they would not have come up with PIPL, then they have not have mentioned about this. And if you look at the Data Protection PAL update last week, or last fortnight rather, you would see an article where a bank in China has already begun to implement privacy protections in their operations, and that is a clear sign that China is really being serious about data protection and privacy. So enough about China. Back to something that's really real. If you are a parent or if you are a teacher, how safe are you in letting children go online? And today I've been preaching about this. Cyber hygiene is extremely important, and look forward to a game that I'm producing called Data Heist, where we seek to educate the public about cyber hygiene that includes everybody, and it should start from young. We already know that before we eat, we wash our hands. So what do we do before we go online? So parents, teachers, educators, please remember to also educate kids to be safe online, because there are many, yes, predators that are there out looking out for our kids as well. So be really careful, yeah? So my name is Mark Barnabas, your data protection pal, and I really wish you a good week ahead. And remember to be safe, especially on the internet, and be good. All right, see you then. Bye.